So the energy of the universe around you. So we are training ourselves to pick them up, right? With the mind, pick them up. So what we want to do is we like to think about the chi. So the chi will come to me, I think. And I like the chi to go passing me down, passing my body. As the energy coming, passing down my body. Your mind connecting with every step, what you think, the chi, you, what do you do? And every step you're thinking about the chi moving along your body. Then you also have the thought about they are moving down. They are moving to leave, right? You pick, think, passing different area, and then clean wherever the mind is on. So if I clean the, this is a meridian. Receptor channel, or yammak in Chinese, right here. So this will be powerful, crossing all the chakras too. No, so your mind will be thinking. So you always think about, really feel that you are thinking, and then the thought says, oh, I see the chi, I feel the chi, I think about the chi in the sky, in the universe, and then the chi is coming to me. And as it's coming to me, they touch my body, and then they're moving down as I think, as my mind is controlling the speed, how the chi is moving along my body. Keep doing this for a while. And then when it reach the end of you, then it get released and disappear and gone. Breathe in, breathe out. So the training is, when I think about the good energy in touch with my energy, am I able to make use of the good energy so that it actually will clean what's on the path, right? So that will be your training about, oh, how efficient you are gathering energy, and maybe how much blockage or weak energy you have around yourself, and how much time do you can eventually get through to yourself that you can actually really feel, oh, something is moving out of you. So that is like training. And let's train for a while. We're doing this, everyone is different, and then the more you are with the chi, the less funny feelings you have, because it will become like second skin to me. Get chi, sure, anytime, right? Because it's like a training that you've been trained all the time. So when you want to be better in doing healing work, that means you have to be often in this kind of environment, that you always keep training yourself to be better and better, because you may not have the same focus time you can give to yourself when you are not with a purpose, right? So the best thing to do healing work is you learn something and you also try to use it, right? And then as you're using, you also keep on learning so that you also grow with your experiencing in a class. And then you learn how to focus without feeling a distraction. And then you can focus without distraction in anything in your life too. It's the same thing. Whatever you want to do in your life, you focus and get it done. And very relaxingly get things done. The same. But then energetically, the energy has to clean. So we think about clean. Yeah. So my hand feel the qi, and you might feel tingling, a different sensation. Depends how quickly you connect with energy. All good. Nice. So let the energy leave to your fingertips. The energy pass to you, pass to your arms. They flow all the way to the fingertips and there's nothing wrong with the energy coming down to your hand. If the energy come inside you, and then when you're touching anything, obviously you have your body temperature, you have your energy, and then obviously it's actually passing down through your hand because you're actually in touch of something. So when I was teaching the remote healing, we're not touching. So I teach it a little bit different. But then if you're holding the animal in your hand, so there's no such a thing, your hand will not be sending energy out directly because you're holding the animal, right? So obviously your energy is already going to the animal because you're holding it, right? So it will be to your benefit. That's why we will do a little bit different, is you will might as well think about the energy of the universe coming to you, and then they just go down your body, and then they can just go out of your hand. But when you're doing it, you're just very calm and peaceful doing it. So you can also move your hand a bit. So that's the place hurting. So you can be stroking. What happened? Okay.
Well, I had the opportunity to work on my friend's dog today. She was very, very stressed out. She was actually going to the emergency room. She wasn't feeling well. And I was giving her a ride, and she had to leave her dog home, and her dog started to hyperventilate. And she was so concerned. And so I took the dog and I visualized doing the Qi, and I just kind of did some of the movements that we learned in the class last night, and the dog totally calmed down. He stopped hyperventilating, and it really worked out nicely. So I was really happy about it.
Yeah, and so I find a lot of animals also absorb the energy of whoever's around their life. Sometimes I did have fun about trying to match different dogs and with the owners in the same room, see which dog belongs to which owner. I'm trying to match them, to match the problems they have. And it's very fun for me. My God. See. So then what it means is the animal is very receptive to the influence they have around them. So if we really want to help our animals, it's about making sure we are okay too, because they just gladly take on the energy too. So energy also will need to be grounded, right? Grounding means on the floor, right? On the floor. Yeah. all the flows, inflame and the flow. And then they need to pee. Maybe, you can be having your hand on the two sides of the body, say it's the bladder or whatever. So that can be, or you can have it on the top of the hand, say the problem is on the spine or on the side, or the two hands on the side. So get some animal and then practice it. And it's a fun journey. Like, just relax yourself first. Head relax. Neck relax. Shoulder relax. Chest relax. You've done the work ahead of seeing your client. So because if there's no doc now to put the energy on the this is, it seems that wasting energy. So I will ask you to pretend you have it around, but then maybe at least you can slide your hand a bit on your body more, so that the energy actually will be on yourself, and give it to the pet, right? Okay.